ये मलेशिया में, अगर आप मलेशिया आ रहे हैं तो हम सबसे पहले बता दें कोलालमपुर में आए सिटी में, और बुकित बिंतांग पे जब भी आएंगे तो आप अगर
यहाँ का सेंटर है,
यहाँ पे
शहर का
पूरा सिटी सेंटर है। यस यस, तो जब भी यहाँ पे आए तो हम सजेस्ट करेंगे कि आप बाइक लें यहाँ पे, और बाइक जो है वो मोटर बाइक ले लें इलेक्ट्रिक वाली, और पूरी सिटी कहीं भी घूम सकते हो, बातू कैब, ट्विन टावर, एनीवेयर। सो इट्स वेरी चीप, आई एम सजेस्टिंग यू टू।
Sir, if our viewers come and they want bike to go over station, then what is the charge? Tell them.
It's 70 ringgit a day.
Okay.
For one way, it will be 350 ringgit. For 1 month, it will be 600 ringgit. For 1 month. Yes.
And if they go out of city?
The bike, we don't encourage them to go out of the city, but we can go. The furthest is Batu Cave, which is very, very nice location. Yes.
No extra charge.
No extra charges.
No extra.
Helmet
Guys,
free.
No extra charge. No extra charge. You can take the bike. You visit full city. You can even go to Batu.
कोई अलग से पैसा नहीं लगेगा।
कोई पैसा नहीं. No money extra. You come, you take, you enjoy.
और बहुत ज्यादा नहीं, बस थोड़ा सा डिपॉजिट है। मैंने और भी विजिट किए हैं, बट दिस इज वेरी चीप इन मलेशिया। आई ऑल्सो विजिटेड अदर्स आल्सो, बट दिस इज वेरी चीप इन मलेशिया, सो आई एम सजेस्टेड टू कम हियर। So now, audience, so now we are here in the KL. So if you want renting bike in KL when you are visiting Malaysia anytime, just you can come walk in Bukit Bintang. This is very near. It's a walking distance. So you can come here for the electric bike, and they are very cheap in Malaysia. So you can come here, and this is the easy motor bike. So you can come and take a rent bike. The people are very supporting and helping. And this is the map, and you can visit the Malaysia by the riding bike. It's a very nice experience. You can go if you are visiting with a couple or your family member. So here, see the bikes all. So these all are electric. So no need for the petrols. So that is the good thing. So only for the one-time payment, and the full day, all 24 hours. Yes, you can visit whole city anywhere in Batu Cave and Kuala Lumpur, like Twin Towers, Batu Cave, in whole city you can visit by the in whole 24 hours. So you can save your time by around, the charge is only for like 50 to 70 ringgit. If you can महीने का per day का पहले बता दो। This is price for the per day. So yes, so here is the boss, the easy motorbike boss. So this is the office. So me visited here. So here is the boss. Yes, so if you are visiting here, so people are very nice. So
Thank you.
my feedback is, you can it's like paisa basul. You can just paisa basul. Yeah, you guys. Your money will not be wasting. I am suggesting you to rent here electric motorbike with the easy motorbike. I like that because
Kuala Lumpur.
yeah, come here. It's only for the walking distance by the Bukit Bintang. Monorail station. So
TRX monorail.
yeah, TRX monorail. Yeah, TRX monorail. Okay, just stay with me. I'm showing you the whole city vlogging in the other video, so you can stay with me and follow and like and subscribe. Thank you. Yeah.